want to go. So let's do that. Cheers, man.
China, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Cool.
It's been great.
I never saw a CFMoto in America. Yeah.
My buddy has the 450 SS. They've been so cool. They've been really fun.
Imported by yourself or by a
dealer. I found it out later and I was like, oh no, like I could have saved like $3,000. So, but I would have had to put it together too. It's been great. It's been a lot of fun. 300.
300.
Yeah. They got the, they're coming out with like a 1250 soon, and it's like, that's gonna be crazy.
You like this kind of a motorcycle a lot?
What's that?
You like this kind of bike a lot?
A little bit. I've had this one for maybe 4 or 5 months, but I've been riding dirt bikes for a long time, and this one's a single.
Yeah.
So like a 300 single kind of feels very dirt bikey, you know?
Yeah.
So,
I want to say.
yeah. It's been a good transition to the road. What's that?
I ride bike too.
Oh, cool. Nice. What do you ride?
I ride like a Japanese Kawasaki.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Which one?
And it's I have two.
Yeah.
It's Kawasaki. The other one is Suzuki.
Okay. Yeah.
So I like the Suzuki better.
Okay.
Yeah. So that one is a DL250.
Okay. Yeah.
You heard of it?
Yeah.
The winter one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, those are sick.
I love it. The winter bike.
Nice.
I'm right now. Because you know I'm from China. I moved here like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't got a motorcycle here in
Yeah.
the States.
Yeah.
I'm recently want to buy a new one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So I'm really considering whether to buy a BMW 310 GS.
Okay. Yeah.
You know,
Those are like the sport touring, right?
it's like a GS. GS is like a adventure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But also, have you heard of Benelli? Benelli 502.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you. Benelli.
Dude, nice.
I really like Benelli.
We've been thinking about stopping by. There's a Yamaha dealership.
Oh, really?
We live in an RV, and it's right near our campground. So it's like, well, I guess we have to go. I've heard of the Benelli brand. I haven't seen a whole lot of them. I think they're pretty uncommon around here.
Yeah, that's true. It's not common.
Nice. Oh, that's real nice. And that's a 502? Yeah, 500cc. That's going to be great power for that too. Dude, that's a sweet bike.
Yeah.
Nice.
I really like this one.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I like that a lot, man. Hey, ride safe, eh?
Thank you. Can I take a picture in there?
Absolutely, yeah. 2 up on a 300.
Alright.
Do you have Instagram?
Yeah. But
I was gonna say I could give you our Instagram if you want anything. I've been recording up here, so.
oh, is this going to be on YouTube?
Sure, yeah. It's Jolly Moto.
Okay.
Here you go. I can type it in if you want.
Send me if you post it on YouTube.
Will do. Yeah, I'll tag you. All right, wait, no, it's Roger on here. On YouTube, it's Jolly Moto. There we go. Oh, hold on, it was there for a second. Jolly Roger. Live. I saw the photo for a second. There we go.
Great.
So there you go. If you send me a message, I'll send you this footage.
All right, sounds great.
Have a good one, man.
Do some cutting.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good. Cheers, man. You too. That was cool.